With Profit.co's goal management feature, you have the option to connect goals created in the performance module to your key results. To associate goals with key results, navigate to Performance, Goals, My Goals. In the new goal form, name your goal and provide a description. Below the key result heading, you'll see there's an option to add any related key results to the goal. Click Associate Key Result. In the pop-up, you'll see all the key results in your OKR module that are available to associate with your goal. Select your chosen key result and press Add. Note that progressing your goal in Profit.co will not automatically increase the progress of your key result. However, progress on your key result will directly reflect in your goal progress. So, if an associated key result is checked in at 50% completion, each goal associated with that key result will be automatically updated as 50% complete. Associating goals with key results helps users stay focused on the targets that matter most for your company. To learn more about goal management, visit our Help Center, and don't forget our team is available 24/7 on our live support chat, right on your Profit.co platform.